guys, so today I have a little model with me. Her name is Emery, and this is your first video on this channel, I think. And we are going to be doing a fun little tutorial for you guys. I wanted to do this because I love space buns. I think they're so cute on kids. So I wanted to show you guys a really quick, simple, and fast way to do space buns that are like very symmetrical, because sometimes I feel like with space buns it's really easy, if you don't know how to do them right, to make them like one really big, one really small, one is really saggy, and this way you're gonna get them even every single time, and it's so fast, and that's why I absolutely love this tutorial. So I wanted to film this really quick on this little cute model and show you guys like the quickest way to do space buns. Now you can use this on yourself, but you can also use it on your kids, and it's just a really good fun tutorial. So are you ready? Okay, high five. So the first thing we're gonna do is brush out the hair. I had Emery's hair in a braid last night. She really likes to sleep in a braid because it keeps her hair from getting really ratty. And so every single night she wears a braid, but it's really nice if your kid has really straight hair to braid it, because it can give texture to the hair and it can help the bobby pins stay in their hair just a little bit better. So I recommend parting down the middle, and the reason I think parting down the middle is best is because it makes both buns the same size. You don't have to, like if you really prefer a side part, you can do a side part, but I do feel like it does help them be a little more symmetrical. So I'm just parting it down the back. So the first thing you're gonna do is bring all the hair up above the ear. Now you can use like spray gels, you can use hairsprays, things like that, but I prefer when I'm doing my kids' hair for it to be kind of natural. I don't like it to be really, you know, like plastered to their head. So I'm gonna be using this hair tie here. It's one of those thicker hair ties, and the reason I'm using this is because Emery's hair is longer and thicker. If you're doing like a 3-year-old's hair, usually their hair's a lot thinner and a lot more fine, so you're not gonna have a problem with it staying up on their head, but you do need something that's going to be heavy duty enough to where they don't sag, because these can sag. I'm just going to do a ponytail right here. Now you wanna get it as tight as you can so it doesn't sag. So I'm going around about 3 times. Now on the very last time, you're going to bring it around and you're going to bring the hair through, but only to there. So we have a little loop here. So we didn't bring the hair all the way through. And this here is going to act as kind of like the space bun, or the base of the space bun. And then you have the rest of the hair here. So now you're gonna take this extra hair and you're gonna give it like a light twist. I don't like to make it too tight, but we're going to lightly twist it, and you're gonna bring it up and around the base of the ponytail and wrap it up and around. Now for Emery's hair, I use 2 bobby pins, and I use the blonde ones. If your child has really fine hair, you can use 1 bobby pin, but I feel like Emery definitely needs 2. So I'm just going to put this bobby pin right here at the base of her ponytail just to hold in the little ends. And then I'm gonna put in 1 more here. And that's just gonna hold in the ends. So that is the first space bun, and you can make this messier or cleaner. So if you want a messier look, you can make the first little looped bun that we did, you can make it bigger and a little bit more exaggerated if you want the buns to be really big and messy. So again, we're just going to brush the hair up. Now you can leave some face framing pieces as well if you want. I kind of feel like on kids' hair it kind of does it naturally, so I don't worry about it too much. Okay, so we're just going to pull the hair through again. I also feel like this side of her hair is thinner in general. Like I always have to wrap the hair ties around it more times. Okay, so again, on the last one, you're just going to bring it through a little bit so you have that loop right there. Again, you can make this loop really, really big and messy if you're going for that look, but I kind of like the smaller look. I think it looks good. So then you're gonna take this, do a really loose twist. Emery kind of has a little more like baby hairs on this side too. So I feel like a lot of times her hair has more flyaways on this side. I don't know why that is, but. So now we're gonna take 1 bobby pin and we're going to pin it down. So see this little flyaway right here that she's got going on? I'm just gonna tuck that in and bobby pin it down with the tail So we've got two cute, perfect size space buns. Now you can take hairspray. I use the Big Sexy Hair, and I'm just going to spray it a little bit. Of course, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it does keep flyaways kind of at bay. And then if you want, you can just kind of brush down any of those baby hairs on the side. And that is how you do simple, easy, symmetrical space buns. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. You could also just do like these front sections here, and then you can leave hair down in the back, like hanging down if you want to do that. But like I said, this is a really fun way to get their hair out of their eyes in a really fast way, and the girls absolutely love it. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful, and I will see you guys next time.